First part of this mushroom lasagna recipe starts with our pasta dough. Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new here and you love to get cooking, click that subscribe button and ding my notification bell to get my latest recipes. Of course, you can buy your own pasta dough to save some time, but I find it more affordable to make your own dough because you can control the ingredients in there, and also you can buy in bulk so you can make pasta for a while. I'm going to start with 00 flour. This is a soft wheat flour, perfect for pasta making and also for pizza. I'm going to take my 00 flour and we're just going to dust it and create a mound. This is roughly 1 cup of flour. As you see here, I have 3 eggs. So this is not exactly 3 eggs, it's exactly half a cup of eggs. I use 3 yolks. It's going to keep it nice and shiny. I'm going to take my hand, form a beak like this, and that's going to go right in the center of this mound. Now we're going to add our eggs to the center, and now we're going to begin beating the eggs. So I just usually like to just crack the yolks and then start whisking. It's going to be very much like loose pancake batter. I'm going to start incorporating flour from the inside wall of this flour mound we have here. We're just going to cut in some more flour, get everything to the center. I'm just going to combine it together. Now we're going to fold it. So I'm going to teach you the technique. You're basically just going to fold this front part onto itself and press down with your palm of your hand. It feels like it's a little bit wet. I have a little bit of extra flour here, and if it feels like it's a little bit dry, just wet your fingers and use your wet fingers to reshape the dough. We're going to knead the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes until the shaggy mass becomes smooth with a little bit of texture to it. A little indentation, it comes back. So we've worked the dough to create gluten, which is going to help create structure. And also you can do that by letting it rest. So that's the second part right now. Okay, it's a perfect ball right now. So we're just going to fold this like a present. I don't want to pinch the dough, but the dough is also going to expand because of the gases inside. So we're just going to wrap it loosely and evenly all around. And now we're going to chill this overnight. Of course, if you don't have the time to wait, you can always just let it chill for at least an hour. Of course, you can always buy pre-made lasagna sheets. If you consider that option, I would suggest getting the Barilla oven-baked pasta sheets and then just soak them in water. So we're going to roll this out into sheets, and then afterwards we're going to parboil them for 10 seconds. Throw a little bit of flour my dough. Okay, you just want to flatten it out with your fingers. Some indirect pressure to roll it out. So my hands are here, and then we're just going to roll it forward and then back. So I want it more of a rectangle to fit my pasta machine. I went on the large setting. Now we're going to go incrementally down. Now we're going to stretch the dough on the widest setting. So this is the length of the container I'm baking it for. So this is a good amount for about 2 to 4 people. If you want to make it larger, be more than welcome to double the amount of pasta dough. So we're just going to cut that out. Before this dries out, we're going to add some salt or boiling water. Okay, add the sheets of pasta dough. It's going to go in for 10 seconds. So by parboiling my pasta sheets, it's going to make sure that it absorbs some of the salt, flavor, and also the water here, so it doesn't absorb the liquid and dry out the lasagna when I cook it. And now let's get cooking. I'm going to show you how to make this exact dish starting now.